Let's talk about some behaviors your dog might be doing. Is he scratching himself? Is he looking away? Looking down? Pretending he's sniffing the floor, but you cannot hear the... Or he might be doing anything else. Sometimes you want to ask him if he's looking for his lenses. No. Let me imitate some behavior some humans might do in the same situation. Does that signifies anything to you? Do you relate to it? Actually, when your dog is doing those behaviors I described, when you're telling him off, it's not like, okay, I'm gonna give you pads and talk to it. I don't care. No, that's not that kind of behavior. It doesn't mean that thing. What it means is too much tension. I need to make sure have it away as much as possible. It can go away for real, but it might not. Besides, looking at you in the eyes is not canine at all. It's not just even humans, actually, it's a cultural thing. So he's not gonna look you in the eyes when you're telling him off. And he's not nagging you. He's not telling you, I don't care what you're saying. He's telling you it's too much tension for me. I need to do something. That's what we call a behavior of displacement. He moved the attention to another behavior so that it's not too much for him. We do that as human beings as well if we feel too much tension. That doesn't mean we are mocking the other or having fun of that person. That's just too much for ourselves. Besides, if your dog has moved on from the thing you considered worthy of telling him off, that's just too much tension for him. Keep that in mind. He's not mocking you or defying you, challenging you.